If you and your family have been talking about taking that first step into the motor yacht category, you have to take a look at this 50 Cantius from Cruisers Yachts. Let's take a look. Yachts aboard Risky Business, a 2019 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. One of my favorite features on this boat is this has one of the most functional bow seats of any 50-foot express cruiser that you'll see on the market. Individual lounger chairs and a fold-out table gives you a perfect spot to relax up front here with 2 sets of cup holders on opposing sides and all fully re-wrapped upholstery, not only here in the bow, but throughout the entire boat. Let's go take a look. As I mentioned, this 50 Cantius is loaded with features that are perfect for the owner-operator family. Here in the cockpit, you have a beautiful wraparound seat, again with all brand new upholstery just done in 2024, a high-low table that powers down with a filler cushion that sits on top to give you a nice spot to be able to relax and enjoy the sun, as well as 2 bar stools that face your aft galley design, so perfect for entertaining. And you also have a rollaway shade to be able to shade the entire cockpit as well. And what's great about Risky Business is this boat also includes a brand new 2024 Walker Bay 10 LTE tender powered with a Yamaha outboard. And one thing that Cruisers Yachts does on the 50 Cantius is instead of that electric cooktop grill being somewhere in the cockpit, they move it all the way aft onto the swim platform so you don't have fumes and your food spraying all over the boat. Everything's isolated and away from all of your guests. Risky Business had all brand new hardwood floors installed last year in 2024. So all the carpet was removed throughout the entire boat, giving you a nice, clean, seamless flow from inside to outside with this beautiful hardwood flooring. One thing that's great is this modern aft galley design, as I mentioned before, makes it great for entertaining. You've got refrigeration, both port and starboard, and with this window powered all the way down, a great spot to be able to serve your guests from right here on the aft galley. But the window does power up, the doors close off, so you can completely isolate your main salon to keep everything nice and air conditioned for your guests. And on a beautiful day like today, why not open the sunroof, bring all the blinds up, and really let all the natural light breathe throughout this entire boat. Really makes it feel much larger than a 50-foot boat. To starboard, you have a beautiful wraparound couch, great place to be able to lounge and relax. And then port side, a wraparound settee with a table with legs that'll expand, making a great spot to be able to have a meal with your family. And then here to starboard again, what I love is that it's not a singular captain's chair. You have a double wide bench seat. So if you wanted to have your spouse or one of your children sit next to you as you're powering the boat, this gives you the opportunity to have a more family-friendly captain's chair. What's also a very nice feature is that both port and starboard you have manual opening windows. So if I needed to quickly toss a line to somebody or if I needed to relay a message to one of my friends on board, a great spot to be able to communicate seamlessly. And then here at the helm, 2 giant Garmin displays, multifunction displays. This boat had a yacht controller added, as well as a SeaKeeper added. And as you can see, great visibility, big windows all the way around, so a very friendly place for the captain to be able to operate the boat. The 50 Cantius is a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. To starboard, you have a set of bunk beds. Forward is going to be your VIP stateroom with a door to your ensuite head, which will also double as your day head. Here in the master stateroom, you do have your private ensuite head as well, with a door to obviously close off for privacy. But take a walk with me in here and look at how beautiful this master is finished out. You do have access to both sides of the beds, tremendous amount of storage here on the starboard side, a little relief step as you work your way down. And even at my height, at 6'3", you can see I have plenty of headroom down here in the master. I love the way that the lights accent some of the details in the panels and the walls. And one of the best features in the master has to be the portside lounger. A nice elevated backrest, a great place to be able to relax, read a book, and obviously being able to look out over the water through the whole side windows really makes this a beautiful place to relax. The master stateroom is also fitted with not only plenty of storage, but also a combination washer dryer unit to give you all the amenities that you need if you were going to stay aboard for a couple days. Thanks again for joining us here aboard Risky Business. My name is Chris Wenstrom with HMY Yachts. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour of this vessel, feel free to reach out to me directly. And thank you.